On August 17th at approximately 10:47 a.m., a small but powerful tornado ripped through the town of Air, causing substantial damage to buildings and property. A 3D aerial damage assessment was performed afterwards, revealing that large portions of the roof were torn completely off of the local hardware store. There were multiple customers inside of the store during the tornado. Miraculously, no one was injured. Amazingly, this entire event was captured from 3 different angles on the store's Uniview video surveillance system. Here we can see the tornado after hitting the hardware store make its way towards the power lines. The tornado continues to cause destruction, shorting overhead power lines and shutting down the power. On this map, we can see the path of devastation from the twister. Special thanks to Sky Security and drone services for installing the cameras and sending us the footage. Despite intense winds reaching up to 165 kilometers per hour, these cameras did not break a sweat.